you'll be going to this cupboard up there. You'll see there's a clip just there, so you'll just activate that clip, and you'll have your switches for your lights, pump, the switch to turn on your main computer, your inverter, which will turn on the 240 volt, and your water usage. So we'll just start over here on this panel. That's your master, your far right button, and with your master on, you can now activate your light switches and your water pump. So your water pump is now on, and you can now get water coming out. Always turn the pump off when not using water. We've also got a provision for a USB plug so you can charge your iPhone, etc. When you turn your master switch on, which is on your far right hand side, that will turn on this Victron energy monitor, which will tell you your power usage, which has actually just turned off, and I've reset it and now it's turning back on. You'll just see that come back on now. So whenever you turn that on and off, it'll reset that system. Here you'll see your water usage. You'll have your waste on your right and your water on your left. If you press the button just at the bottom, you'll see that come up. Water tank on the left is 110 litres, and your waste tank on the right is about 65 litres. You'll see now your monitor has popped up, the computer screen, and it's telling you you've got 99% charge in your battery. Try not to play with the settings because everything's just set there and you could end up changing the way the inverter works. So just leave everything as is. So no need to touch anything in that monitor screen there. You'll see here you've got your Victron energy control panel. Currently it's on charger only, which is on the left, which means everything 12 volt is running. If we flick that inverter to the right, that inverter button comes on, which means you now have 240 volt. Therefore, you can use your PowerPoint there. Your air conditioner will now be running, and you've also got a PowerPoint there. When charging the vehicle, always have your current limit just on 10. So when you're plugged onto the mains outside, just make sure it's on current limit 10, and it will go through a phase of charging, and it'll take you through to the float phase, which is just there. So now I'll just flick it back to charger only, and that will turn off your PowerPoints, your air conditioner. But when you're plugged into the mains, it overrides the whole system and always has your PowerPoints and your air conditioner working. You'll have your remotes for the Webasto air conditioner just there. So when the inverter's on or plugged into the mains, you'll be able to use your air conditioner, and your controller for your max fan, which is just up there. So if you're looking for some outdoor light, underneath the awning, you'll see an LED light strip, and that is turned on via this switch right next to the sliding door. If you do put the Webasto cooktop into error mode, you may need to pull the fuse out in this camper van, and that's located just underneath the bed. So if you pop the bed up, you'll see a little cap. You have to open that cap up just there, and it's actually labeled cooktop in yellow. So you'll just pull that up and then follow the instructions on the handover kit on how to reset the cooktop.